Hey friends, got a question on one of my videos about how to make a custom book cover when you don't have a book cover to copy your local copy shop. Well, what you want to do is get the dimensions of your book cover first. I like to get mine in centimeters. And when you're factoring this in, you want to do the front face of the book, then you want to add in the dimension of the spine, and then double the face and the back, and then account for 4 to 5 centimeters approximately for the inside flap there, at least 5 centimeters where you're going to fold that in. And then you want to head over to your browser, and under your Google search, under tools, you want to choose the size for the image you're searching on, and I'm going here larger than 2 megapixels. And so I downloaded an image because you want the largest size you can get, and then I open that in a photo editing program. So here we go right here, and then I use GIMP, and then so I open up a new file in GIMP, and what you do is then transfer those measurements that you took from the book and put them in my case, centimeters here, but you can use whatever scale you're working with. And so I put in the width and height that I calculated from that book cover I was just showing you, and make sure your X and Y resolutions are at 300 pixels per inch. That's really important to get 300 pixels per inch resolution, because that's going to come out best. And then I brought in the image here. You're going to want to make sure to bring this over so we have the full 4-inch flap approximately. So in our case, we're going to go about there. So, but you do this really, really calculate this right to the centimeter as you're doing it. I'm just doing a quick video here to show you how to get started with it, and then export that to a JPEG and put it on your thumb drive. Check it out. You can get very creative with this stuff and come up with custom book covers like this one right here with a 1920s Art Deco style. And there's the flap I was telling you about. You tape this on this side, and then you tuck this back in here, librarian style, on 4 corners of both flaps, and that's how you do it the right way. But you can get very creative, and that's a lot of fun. Trial and error, guys. As you move forward and create more custom book covers, you will get better at it. It's a lot of fun. Please post your comments below if you enjoyed this video and it helped you. And thanks for watching. Good luck with your book cover.